Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2012 Kawasaki EX650R Ninja. This bike has just under 10,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. We'll take a walk around this mostly stock bike and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike's been kept really clean. It does come with a zero gravity, taller, clear windscreen. We're going to be putting a new front tire on this bike. And the other item it's got on it is stand spools. Be putting a back tire on this bike as well. Really, the only thing I've noticed is it looks like, I don't know, maybe a little overspray of paint somewhere. There's a couple of little white dots here. But that's really the only thing I've seen on it. Alright. $99.63 is what's on it. This EX650R will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day, 8,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.